The environment is the first place where a character grows, where we learn not only about science, but also about care and responsibility.
Adiwiyata is not just a program, but a culture we share and live together. A small step toward a better future for the earth.
Now I have an orange here. So orange is? Yeah, orange is food. That way we need to short this trash into organic.
Adiwiyata serves as a pathway for environmental education. Here, learning happens not only in classrooms, but through real actions that shape caring, discipline, and responsible character toward the environment.
We turn used materials into something valuable. Through eco-bricks, plastic waste is no longer a problem, but a solution that nurtures students' creativity and care for the environment.
The Amore Prime School greenhouse has successfully produced fresh, healthy, and high-quality vegetables.
From our greenhouse, we successfully harvest fruits and vegetables such as eggplants, tomatoes, garlic and red onions, chili. Woo! That's hot.
In a school greenhouse, students learn to cultivate food crops from planting to caring and harvesting. They develop independence, perseverance, and an understanding of food security from an early age.
So, what is mini compost? Mini compost is a type of soil which is used from biodegradable materials, or I can say food scraps or garden waste. Now, the first step to make this mini compost is to prepare the container and the materials. Second, we make a hole in the container so the air and the oxygen can go through the container and went to the mini compost. Third of all, we prepare the garden waste. Yep. After we put it in, we wait for 2 until 3 days to check if it really rots properly, and we wait until 4 to 8 weeks to really check if it's really in right color and it rots and moist properly. That is all from making the mini compost. Thank you.
The harvest of the Amore Prime School greenhouse provides the evidence of the success of the environment based on the learning program. We implement a 3-category waste sorting system to raise awareness of the importance of waste management. The school also collaborates with Benning Mineral Water Company in collecting used plastic bottles for sustainable recycling.
So, biotech is a machine and process where we filter wastes in Amore Prime School. So first, this is our first container, which consists on human waste brought from all of the toilets from both of our buildings. And right here, it is processed more, and these bacteria are more alive because of the third container, which pumps out all of the oxygen. Now, in this third container, oxygen is pumped through a machine, and all the results from this container will be released to the lake or somewhere else. Well, that is how it works.
The implementation of Adiwiyata has made a real and positive impact. The school environment is now cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful. Environmental awareness has increased. Enthusiasm for learning has grown, making the school a comfortable place for the entire school community.
Amore Prime School is committed to implement the Adiwiyata program, a concrete step towards creating an environmentally conscious and cultured school.